Hi, what's up guys? Check out this awesome e-bike from Cyber called FXH009. It comes with the powerful 350 watts rehab motor and equipped with a 50 amp battery. This bike is really contemporary. It has little similar to the Super 73 style, but the price tag on this bike is under $1,000. Super affordable, really cheap. Take a look at the frame line. It's beautifully crafted and truly unique. So why should you consider this e-bike? Let's dive into the overview and find out. Take a look at this guys. The frame looks incredible. It's a really nice e-bike. This bike weighs 75 pounds only, not heavy. No matter for fun or commuting, it's absolutely a good choice. The seat is fixed, but very soft. The seat height is about 8 cm. I'm about 5'9". My leg can easily touch the ground, make it easy to control this bike. Believe or not, I have ridden this bike for many times and I've never got sore or tired. It's super comfortable. Now let's get more closer to check more details. Take a look at the handlebar. You have got these nice grips here. They are leather, so it's really comfortable. Move on, you will notice there are lots of buttons here. This one is for the light control pad, and the top one for the front light, and the middle one for the tail lights. And it's like a single light. When you turn left, you push it to the left. When you turn right, hit it to the right. It's pretty neat. It's really bright and cool. The next one is for the horn. Hit it. It's very loud. And this switch here is to control the display. Just hit this button to turn it on. Hi guys, remember, when you start the bike, make sure the battery is turned on first. On the display, you can see your chip details, your speed, your pedal assist level, and how much battery power you have left. Pretty cool, right? Now looking at this display is really nice. It's colorful and bright, so you can easily see the information even in the sunlight. Now let's move to the right side. You got your similar 7-speed shifter here. It's quite standard, but it gets the job done well. And here's the nice throttle, and it's removable, so if you don't want it, just unlock the screw and get it out easily. Down here, and check out this front light. It's big and bright. This setup ensures you have an unforgettable ride experience, especially during the evening ride. You have also got a very nice suspension. It was made of aluminum with good quality, giving you a comfortable ride. Down here, you have got a nice 15 amp hour battery. It's removable, so you can charge it on or off the bike. Let's take closer to look at the battery. It's a 15 amp hour battery with a 720 watt power capacity. It comes with a 2 amp charger and it takes about 8 hours to fully charge, which isn't bad at all. It also comes with a indicate. So from here you can check out how much power left of the battery. It's very convenient. You also have a raised suspension down here, making the ride even more comfortable. It also comes with a nice chain and nicer wheel. And check out this typical pedal and nice chain. The cover makes the chain less likely to slip out. Good job there. And here you got a 350 watts rehab motor made Bad change brand premium. You might not have heard of it before, but it does job really well. Plus it will come 1-year warranty, so you don't need to worry too much. And this controller is hiding inside this box. Keep it safe from rain. And this bag also comes with front and rear fenders. They are made of plastic and fixed security. They don't make any noise while riding and are not enough to keep dirt off your bag, so no need to worry too much when riding in the rain or wet roads. And these fat tires 20x4, they are huge and filled with air, which reduce turbulence. Now guys, look at the front here. It's really graceful and beautiful. Great design. And don't forget the nice kickstand keeps the bag upright. Now let's check out how this e-bike functions. This bike offers the riding modes and 5 seating levels. Many mode allows you to use the pedals like a regular bike. To switch to many mode, simply set the seat level to 0. Then you can pedal this bike like a traditional bicycle. Surprisingly, this bike is very easy to pedal. If you ever find yourself stranded or if your battery dies, you can rely on pedal to get where you need to go. With 7 gears, you can adjust the gear according to your pedal effort. Electrical mode, you can use throttle without pedaling. The throttle operates across all 5 or 6 levels. Each level corresponds to different speed. With high level provided better acceleration. It's a really convenient feature. Assist mode delivers power via your pedal, functions for all 5 or 6 levels, just like a electric mode. This bike initially comes with a speed limit of 20 km/h, which means 15 miles/h. However, the limit can be increased. We have a video demonstrating how to increase the speed, and it's quite simple to do. Once the speed limit is reached, the max speed can reach 20 miles/h with the 350 watts motor. So let's check it out. Now let's use the pedal system only to test the top speed. And there are 5 seating levels on this bike, from 1 to 5. Different seating levels with different speed. Guys, you can see when I turn this seating level from 1 to 5, you can see different speed. At level 5, you can reach up to 20 miles/h. It's very nice, very cool. Now let's check it out using throttle only. It is almost the same with the assist mode, from 1 to 5 with different speed. You can also reach the top speed to 20 miles/h. As you can see on display, it hit to 20 miles/h. Very nice, really cool. The range of the bike can be influenced by various factors such as the terrain you are riding on, the amount of weight you are carrying, the temperature of the weather, and more. This bike comes with a 50 amp battery. When you use the throttle only, the range can reach about 45 km. That means around 27 miles. However, when combined pedaling, it can reach up to 80 km. That means 50 miles. This provides a good range for commuting or layer riding. This e-bike features fast suspension, making it incredibly comfortable to ride. With this 350-watt motor, you will have ample power to conquer various terrains easily.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game. Take the best I say and put them on display. On repeat in the brain, take a feeling of my pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push back, start a plan.
By the way, the assembly of this bag is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to install the front light, the front tire, the front fender, pedals and handlebar. We also have a video showing how to assemble it. You can check it out from my another video. Now we have stocks of this e-bike in our office warehouse. If you like it, please feel free to tag me. Guys, this e-bike is really different from the others, really nice looking and good quality. If you are on a budget and you're looking for a super sensitive style e-bike, this one is definitely a good choice, which is under $1,000 very affordable, very cheap. Thank you for watching guys, please share so others can learn about this deal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, we will launch more new versions in the future. See you next time.